special night, this special program. This gathering tonight, this majlis tonight is considered by the scholars of Islam to be the most virtuous majlis that anyone can participate in. This is the majlis of Mawlid al-Rasul, the commemoration of the birth of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We say it is the greatest gathering that you can be part of, superior to the gathering of Eid, the gathering of Jumu'ah, the gathering of whatever you can come together for. Because the coming of the Prophet ﷺ is the greatest event that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala blessed His creation with. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bestows mercy upon us because of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. We'll be reciting tonight, and I'll talk something about that from some of the beautiful Mawlid composition of Imam al-Busayri. And among the things he said that the scholars of Ahlul Sunnah have said for these past 14 centuries is that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created all of His creation because of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. And He created all of creation from the nur of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. The Prophet alayhi salatu wasalam mentions that he was a prophet of Allah even before Adam alayhi salam was created. So when we gather together to commemorate the birth, the coming of the best of creation, that gathering becomes the best of gatherings. There is nothing that can be better than that. When we gather together to remember the one because of whom we are here, and all of creation came into being because of him, there can be no gathering better than that gathering. The Majlis of Mawlid. So the scholars have said, the best of gathering you can be in is the gathering of Mawlid.